Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Web Hustle TV. And in today's video, I'm going to introduce guys to a platform that pays you to do simple tasks. Tasks such as liking Instagram post, commenting on an Instagram post, following an Instagram user, following a Twitter page, and liking the post. Very simple tasks that you do almost every day on social media. But in this website here, you get paid to do such tasks. Now, as you can see here, I have 41 naira in my money earned. I have actually withdrawn from this app, so I just did like some tasks today to earn this 41 naira, so I can show you guys how legit this tax is. This site is. Now, before we get right into this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because what I do in this channel here is that I give making money online tips, most especially in Nigeria. And if you are subscribed already, don't forget to like this video also, so that it gets seen by more people who want to make money online. Now, if you have done that, thank you very much. Now, as I was saying, this site pays you to perform simple tasks. Like if I scroll down here, you can see Instagram comments. When you like on Instagram comments, you get paid. When you like an Instagram post, you get paid. Where you do simple tasks, they pay you, such as 2 naira, 3 naira. Some tasks can even pay you up to 10 naira just to like a post on Twitter. Just to like a post on Twitter and Facebook, you can get paid 10 naira. You can get paid 20 naira. That is the highest amount you can get paid. And it's actually free. It's free money. And if we can check, the name of the site is SideGig. Yes, it's here, SideGig, and it is a Nigerian site. Now, before we get right into the video, I know most of the question that we'll be getting, like will be in you guys' mind, is that will this work on all devices? And the answer is yes. You can earn money with this site on your mobile device, on your laptop, or your iPhone, on your MacBook. Any device whatsoever you have, you can earn on such device. And what people also ask me is that, does this work in all country? Yes. No, this doesn't work in all country. It works only in Nigeria. As you can see, the balance here is in naira, so you get paid in naira straight to your Nigerian bank account. As simple as that. You get paid in naira straight to your Nigerian bank account. And guys, this website is not like a get rich quick scheme where you can make millions of naira online. It's just like a side hustle, as you can name it, as the name implies, side gig. A side gig, it's just like a side hustle. Like you can earn at least 5,000 naira every single day, as much as you put in the work. So maybe get recharge card, buy some things for yourself. Every day on this website, you can earn such amount. Not that you can be earning millions and millions of naira, but if you want to know how you can earn millions and millions of naira on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping making money online tips that can help you earn millions of naira, tips that have worked for me, and I can drop it for you so that you guys would also learn. But in today's video, this one, you are just going to be earning at least 5,000 naira every single day just by performing simple tasks. Now, I'm going to, and before I get to step by step on how to register on this platform, I want to say a few quick things here. Now, you can see here, it says refer family and friends and family and earn 15 naira when they activate their account. Now, when you refer your friends to also come and earn on these tax and earn money, when they activate the account, and when they register and activate their account, here's a referral link which you're going to share to them. Once they register and activate their account, you are going to get 15 naira per person, and also recurring payments on whatever tax they perform. Now, the thing about this site is that to actually register, you need to activate your account with at least with a minimum of 500 naira. With 500 naira. Now, why you are being asked to pay 500 naira is that most people come to this site. They just come to this site, register, and they don't perform any work. They just register and they don't perform any work, who makes the account dormant. So when the owner of this site discovered that, they actually said, okay, if it's that, so then let people pay 500 naira before they can join the platform, because when you pay the 500 naira, you wouldn't want to lose. You actually want to perform the simple task so that you can get your 500 naira back and withdraw. And I know the question that might be going through your mind is that what is the minimum withdrawal on this platform? Now the minimum withdrawal on this platform is actually 500 naira, and you can earn up to like 5,000 naira every single day, but the minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. That means once you have 500 naira right here in your balance, you can withdraw it right away and you get it paid straight to your bank account, and you can use it to do whatever you like. And now let's get ready. Let me teach you how to register on this platform step by step. Now there's going to be a link on the description below to the website. When you use the link, you get a discount on whatever you are doing on the website, and the amount that is being paid on the task you're going to be doing is going to be very high when you use the link in the description below. So make sure you use the link in the description below. Right now I'm going to use the link also to create an account on this website. Now let me teach you guys how to create the account. So I'm going to open a new incognito tab. Let me head over to the website. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now here it is, guys. So I'm going to input my name. I'm going to input Web Hustle. My username, I'm going to input Web Hustle TV. My password, I'm going to use my password, I'm going to use okay, my username should be Web Hustle TV. My password, I'm going to put my email address. And my phone number. I don't think phone number is really necessary. Now this one is appearing here because it is the referral. That is when you use my referral link in the description below, so that you actually get discount on your purchase and high recurring payment. Now let me hit on register. Okay, the phone number field is required. Now let me input my phone number. And hit on register. Now I said registration successful, is redirecting me in 3 seconds. Now when it's loaded, it's going to prompt you to make the 500 naira payment, which is actually cheap, because there's some website that's going to tell you to pay 2,000 naira. And again, I know what might be running through you guys' mind is this website legit? Oh guys, this website is very legit, because I have withdrew from this website, and a lot of times I withdrew from this website and they are fast in payments. Their payment is very fast. I don't know why this is taking time to load right now. Let me check my networks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and turn on post notification, so that when I drop a new video like this on how to make money online, especially in Nigeria, you'll be the first to get it, and you'll be the first to make money from it, because the first people to get and know the video will be the first people to benefit from it. Now it is loaded, guys. So here it's saying click here to make your payment. After you register, you'll be prompted to make a payment right here. So once you click on this button here which says click here to make a payment, you see it says you will need to activate your account with a one-time payment of 500 naira before you can perform any tasks on this website. And I know most of you guys actually have 500 naira in your bank account or whatsoever. So you can click here to make payment. You'll be asked to make payments with either your ATM card, that is your debit, or your credit card. it's going to redirect you to this Flutterwave page. Now you can either pay with USDD, you can pay with your bank, you can pay with bank transfer, you can pay with M-Visa, you can pay with barter. Anyone you feel like using, anyone that is available to you, you can pay with that, and immediately you pay, your account will be activated, just like mine that is here. Your account is going to be activated and you'll be able to earn, and will also refer your family and friends. Now, if you have any question for me on how this platform works, you can leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be glad and I'm very quick to answer you guys. And if you have gotten value to this video, don't forget to leave me a like so that it gets seen more by others, and share this video to your friend who are trying to make money also in Nigeria, so that they can get something like this that can make them a few quick naira every day. It's not going to make them rich, but actually they can make like 5,000 naira every single day just by performing simple tasks, guys. Very simple tasks. Now they pay straight to your bank account, that is Nigeria bank account. Don't worry, if you don't have a bank account, you can use your either your friend's bank account to withdraw or your parents' bank account to withdraw. They don't check stuff. You can use anybody's bank account to withdraw, and I'm very sure as you watching this video, you should actually have a bank account. So guys, don't forget to like this video so that it gets seen by others, guys. So if you have any question, also like I said, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very quick to answer, guys. So that's for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go. Peace.